Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I have two cards using the new Breezy Grass stamp from Blue Knight. Let's get started. This is the new stamp set called Breezy Grass from Blue Knight. The stamp set has 4 stamps: the grass, 2 dragonflies, and a sentiment. The sentiment says, "Hope your day is amazing." Going to be creating with some Blue Knight rubber stamp designer papers. The artwork for this packaging features a piece of paper from the Night Sky 2 paper. There are 5 designs, 4 on the front and 1 design on the back of all the cards papers. The reverse side is this nighttime sky. The front features some really cool, like with the moon and different planets, just some great designer paper. I really like the artwork that is on this stamp packaging. So I did pull one of those pieces of paper, but I am going to create with this piece of paper, which features, I don't know, it kind of reminds you of the desert or like Mars or something, but it's from the Night Sky 2 designer paper. All the Blue Knight products I will have listed in my description box below so that you can easily find them in case you're interested in checking out the Blue Knight stamp website. Now, Blue Knight is a mom and pop stamp shop, basically a small family run business. And one of the products that they created was the magnetic ink pad handle. And so the magnetic ink pad basically is a wooden block with magnets, and then you have a magnetic plate that you put on the back of your ink pad. So by doing this, you are able to keep a better grip on your ink pad and not drop it on your card project. I'll show that to you again here in a minute. But let's go back to the card that we're creating. I did use a piece of acetate just to figure out where I am aligning my sentiment. I want to make sure that it's straight, and because red rubber stamps obviously are not see-through, you sometimes just need a little help in making sure that your sentiment is straight. Or you don't have to be straight. You can just do it at an angle and it doesn't really matter. Okay, so the other two stamps that I'm using right now are the large and the small dragonfly that come with this set. I am going to use my acetate again just to make sure that I have the dragonflies heading in the right direction. I wouldn't want to have a dragonfly taking a nosedive on the card. However, because the grasses are here in the left-hand corner, you could have the dragonflies flying into the grasses. So yeah, I'm just using some VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink to stamp these images. This was a real simple card to create. Doesn't take very long with the designer papers from Blue Knight. So because I told you that I really like this artwork, I'm going to go ahead and recreate this and stamp this as well. So I'm going to go ahead back to that Night Sky 2 paper pack and grab the paper that looks like this paper on this packaging. And I'm going to go ahead and place that in my stamping platform and do the same steps that I just did with my other piece of designer paper. And hopefully this time you'll get a better look at that magnetic ink pad handle. I would highly recommend that handle because it just makes life so much easier when you're stamping. I don't know how many times before I used this magnetic ink pad handle. I would create something and then I would drop the ink pad. Well, first of all, I have really bad arthritis in my hands, so it's not unusual to drop things. And it just helps to create a better grip. Blue Knight Rubber Stamp has a wide variety of designer papers to choose from, everything from northern lights to night skies, day skies, cloudy skies, land and sea. They have some new papers coming out within the next couple of months that feature, I would call them like sunset backgrounds. So gorgeous papers. They also have mixed media style paper. So basically, if you've ever created like an ink smooshing type paper of your own, this basically is very similar to that. Or if you've ever used color bursts to create background for your card panel, it's very similar to that, but it's already done for you. So voila, all you have to do is provide the inspiration in your head as to how you would like to use it. But seriously, the designer papers have truly made a difference for so many people who might struggle with creating these stunning backgrounds. And Deanna, who created these papers, has done such a fantastic job. I use them all the time when I create cards for my family and friends, and everybody is always so impressed. This is a beautiful sky background designer paper, and because I'm using my stamp positioning platform, I'm able to stamp it multiple times and get the ink as dark as I would like it to be. And it just creates a beautiful scene. Now for the third card, we are going to use pan pastels to create them. However, I don't have any video footage of my use of pan pastels to create the third card. So I just wanted to let you know that ahead of time. I am showing you the process I used to finish the card that I created, my first card. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I do have a huge playlist on my channel of cards that I've created using pan pastels. So if you subscribe to my channel, you can check out my playlist and you can watch those videos. Also, I will be doing a pan pastel class in the future online. Now, at the end of this video, if you'll stay tuned, I'll show you some still photos and close-up photography of these cards that I created. They're very simple today and very fast. But this is the first card, so it gives you an idea of how that paper is. So beautiful. I hope your day is amazing, is the sentiment that comes with this. Breezy Grass stamp set. And for my second card, I had a pan pastel background that I created. Real simple. I put orange, magenta, and orange. That was the colors of pan pastels that I used. You could also ink blend those colors. And then I just took the Breezy Grass and I repeated it 3 times across the bottom of the card panel. And then I stamped 3 dragonflies, and then I stamped the sentiment, I hope your day is amazing. I trimmed the panel with a postage edge rectangle die, and then I used a piece of black cardstock to mat it for a matte background. I think it turned out really nice. If you liked my cards today, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this new stamp set from Blue Knight. And also let me know what you think about these cards. Which is your favorite? I didn't show a final card of the second card that I made because basically I was just replicating the card that was already on the artwork for the packaging. Thanks so much for watching. Have a hopeful day. Bye-bye.